Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the places of pronunciation for letters. Now, first of all, I am telling the pronunciation of Hamza and Ha. How will pronounce Hamza and Ha? Hamza and Ha pronounce from the bottom part of throat. यानी आप अपने गले के निचले हिस्से से हमजा एंड हा अदा करेंगे. आइन एंड हा pronounce from the middle part of throat. गले के दरमियानी हिस्से से आप आइन एंड हा अदा करेंगे. गॉइन एंड खा pronounce from the top part of throat. And next one, how will pronounce cough? Cough pronounced from the root of the tongue, touching the soft part of the palate top of the mouth. Now I'm telling the how will pronounce the cough. Cough pronounced from the root of the tongue, touching the hard part of the palate top of the mouth.